So if your laptop fans are just running a little bit louder than they typically would, it's probably because your vents have gotten a little dusty. And so today I'm going to show you how to properly clean these vents. Um, so typically what you would do is you see the vents, and well, to get the dust out, you blow air into them. And I've done this several times, and a lot of times I'll blow air in here, and then I'll see dust come out here, and I'm like, oh, cool, it's working. But there's actually a much better way to do it. And blowing air in doesn't actually work as well as it looks like it does. So let's get ahead to this other way I'm going to talk about. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this back cover off, and then I'm going to take the CPU and graphics card fans out. And then we're going to blow air out through the vents that way, using an air compressor. Now, first I'm going to take this fan out so that I can show you just how dirty these vents stay if all you do is blow air in. And I may even find a few dust bunnies inside of this fan. So here's the fan. You can see there's some dust right here. But now look at this vent. It's disgusting. That is really gross. A lot of unnecessary stuff in here. And the only way to get it all out is to take that fan out. Alright, so now we'll take this fan out. And you can see that's much cleaner. So last time I cleaned that, but I did not have any compressed air available. So it's a lot cleaner, this job that I just did without compressed air about a month ago, than this one, which I have done with compressed air a little less than a month ago. Alright, so let's go do that. I'll show you, I'll clean these fans out with the air compressor, and I will clean these vents out. Alright, so I'm all ready to unclog the first vent. I got the air compressor ready. It's not on, but it's ready to turn on. And just to see if I can see any dust blow out of there, I'm gonna do this in 240 frames a second at 720p. So we'll see if that looks any cooler than normal. I don't know if I'll really get anything good, but you know, I might. This damn cat. Alright, let's see what happens. Get off. So I guess there wasn't enough dirt in there for that to look cool in slow motion, so I'm not going to do that again. I'll just, for that vent, I'll just get a closer view so you can see everything that happens. So this one doesn't really look that bad, but we'll see if we can see it getting any cleaner when I blow the air into it. So I got these vents cleaned up pretty nice. And they're definitely cleaned a lot better than they would have been if I had not used this method and if I had just blown in from this side. And I did blow in from this side a little bit on both of them, because you kind of need to go from both ends to clean them out. But only going in this way with the fan in here is not really an ideal method, because a lot of the dust you'll just blow into like the back of the fan, and then the next time it turns on, it'll just blow it right back to this. And another reason why you should take your fans out is because when they're out, it's a whole lot easier to clean them. You can hold this easily and not let them spin while you blow dust off of each individual fin, etc., etc. It's just, and then you can blow in here, and it's a really nice way to get everything clean. And now the next time you game, your fan's probably going to turn on just as much, but maybe not. And the next time you use Facebook and just do easy things that are easier for your processor, your fans are not going to be running very hot. So now once you got your fans back in, you're good to go. Just put them back in the same way they came out, and remember to plug the plugs back in.